Alright, beginning the disassembly of a GTX 660 graphics card. I'm going to reapply some thermal paste on this thing. It seems to be overheating. So here we have it apart. There's 4 screws and then 2 little ones holding the heatsink in. They're found on the back. There, and 4 there. The white rings around them. So now I'm going to clean off this thermal paste using some Q-tips and rubbing alcohol, and then reapply the new stuff and put it back together. Alright, nice and cleaned. Now I'm going to take this mediocre thermal paste and put a little dot on there. That might be too much, but better than not having enough. Spread it out. Make sure you get some chip coverage, entire chip coverage. And there you have it. Now I'm going to put that back on. Just put the screws back and she's all done. There we have it, all back together. Now we put it back in and hopefully enjoy a couple more years of gaming. Thanks for watching.